वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ओडी एजुजन। तो आज आपण मानक पई इंग्लिश रो पेडागोजी क्लास नहीं आछि जहाँकि आपण मानकर ओटीपी सेंटर होउथबा एसएससी एग्जाम रो सेवक सेविका एवं टीएलएच ट्राइबल लैंग्वेज टीचर मानकर पेपर 2 एग्जाम रे आसीबो। तो आगुरु हमरो दुईटी क्लास होई चाहिए। तो आज होची थर्ड क्लास। चलो देखिबा आज रो प्रथम प्रश्न। प्रथम प्रश्न कौन अच्छी? English is taught in school to dash. English is taught in English to dash. Option A, provide a working knowledge to compare book. Option B, ask a question to teacher while teaching. Option C, appear the examination. Now option D, to work in educational institution. तेज यार सठिक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन ए, provide a working knowledge to compare the books. Next question. English should be taught as a compulsory subject for a period of dash years in secondary stage. English should be taught a compulsory subject for a period of dash years in secondary stage. Option A 3 years, option B 5 years, option C 6 years, option D none of the above. तब यार सठिक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन सी 6 year. English should be taught as a compulsory subject for a period of 6 years in secondary stage. Next question. The Central Advisory Board gave the 3-language formula was accepted as the basic of our dash. Option A, curriculum framework. Option B, national policy. Option C, planning commission. Option D, none of the above. तब यार सठिक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी नेशनल पॉलिसी. The Central Advisory Board gave the 3-language formula was accepted as the basic of our national policy. Next question. The learners failed to acquire the skill of English because dash. The learners failed to acquire the skills of English because dash. Option A, teachers give more importance to context rather than skill. Option B, learners do not give importance to language skills. Option C, teaching learning process is not planned for a programmed. Option D, all of the above. तेज यार सठिक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन डी all of the above. The learners fail to acquire the skill of English because teachers give more importance to context rather than skills. Option B, learners do not give importance to language. ऑप्शन सी टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस इज नॉट प्लान फॉर प्रोग्राम. तो यही सब हूँ तार उत्तर हेबो. तो ऑल ऑफ द एबव तार सठिक उत्तर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ आवर प्राइमरी स्कूल टीचर्स do not provide for practice and repeated practice because of dash. Majority of our primary school teachers do not provide for practice and repeated practice because dash. Option A, available instructional time does not permit. Option B, of their procedural ignorance. Option C, lack of training in teaching. Option D, lack of their self confidence. तब यार सठिक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी ऑफ देयर प्रोड्यूसरल इग्नोरेंस. तो ये यार सठिक उत्तर हेबो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द स्टडी ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वाज मेड कंपल्सरी बाय डैश. The study of English language was made compulsory by dash. Option A, Woods Dispatch. Option B, Sargent Report. Option C, Musculary Minutes. Option D, Kothari Commissions. तब यार सठिक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन सी Macaulay's Minutes. Macaulay's Minutes होची यार सठिक उत्तर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The 4 countries of the world where English is mother tongue are dash. The 4 countries of the world where English is mother tongue are dash. Option A, United Kingdom, USA, Australia, Canada. Option B, United Kingdom, USA, Australia, Japan. Option C, UK, USA, Australia, China. Option D, UK, USA, Australia and Russia. तब यार सठिक उत्तर होउछि ऑप्शन ए यूनाइटेड किंगडम, USA, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड कनाडा. तो यही 4टी देश रे इंग्लिश होची मदर टंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In Odisha, English is being taught as dash language. In Odisha, English is being taught as dash language. Option A, first language. Option B, second language. Option C, third language. Option D, fourth language. ତେବେ ଏହାର ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ B, second language. In Odisha, English being taught as second language. ତ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଇଂଲିଶ ହେଉଛି second language. Next question. The right sequence of learning the four micro skill is dash. The right sequence for learning the four micro skill is dash. Option A, writing, reading, listening and speaking. Option A, reading, writing, speaking and listening. Option C, listening, speaking, reading and writing. Option D, speaking, listening, reading and writing. तो आम यहाँ ओडिया पढ़ी पढ़ी आसचे तो सठिक उत्तर कौन हम ना ऑप्शन सी प्रथम लिसनिंग सेकेंड स्पीकिंग थर्ड रीडिंग और फोर्थ राइटिंग हूँ सठिक उत्तर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इंग्लिश एक्ट एज ए विंडो ऑन द वर्ल्ड implies dash. English act as a window on the world implies dash. Option A, development in the various areas in the world can be no. Option B, globalization of education takes place due to the English. Option C, English language connect peoples. Option D, it is one of the official language of UNO. ତେବେ ଏହାର ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ ଏ, development in the various areas in the world can be no. English act as a window on the world implies dash कौन देछि ना developments in various areas the world can be no हेबो यार सठिक उत्तर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। English language is the most important international language because it dash. English language is the most important international language because it dash. Option A, is the most important library language. Option B, has built flexibility and communication power. Option C, is used widely by the many people throughout the globe. Option D, plays key roles in the connecting people. ତେବେ ଏହାର ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ ସି, is used widely by many people throughout the globe. Next question. English is compulsory subject in education as it helps to dash. English is a compulsory subject in education as it helps to dash. Option A, develop communication skill. Option B, go for higher education. Option C, take up research. Option D, set placement. तब यार सठिक उत्तर ହେଉଛି ऑप्शन ए, develop communication skills. English is a compulsory subject in education as it helps to develop communication skill. Next question. English language has potential for powerful communication means dash. English language has potential for powerful communication means dash. Option A, it has enriched literature. Option B, there is a inbuilt flexibility in the structure. Option C, it is full of powerful expression. Option D, it connects people of the world. ତେବେ ଏହାର ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ B, there is a inbuilt flexibility in structure. English language has potential for powerful communication means there is a inbuilt flexibility in its structure. Next question. English has a link language connect dash. English as a link language connect dash. Option A, language. Option B, people. Option C, people and language. Option D, people and countries. ତେବେ ଏହାର ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ୍ D, people and countries. English as a link language connect people and countries. Next question जाकि लास्ट क्वेश्चन अछि देखिबा कोन क्वेश्चन अछि ना due to the long British rule in India English has become dash. Due to long British rule in India English has become dash. Option A, the medium of instruction. Option B, the language of press and media. Option C, the language of the administration. Option D, compulsory subject of study. तबे यार उत्तर आपण माने मते कमेंट रे देबे एटा आपण पई होमवर्क रहिला। तो आज पई एतिकी यदि आपण मानको वीडियो भल लागिथे तो वीडियो को लाइक करंतु कमेंट करंतु ଏବଂ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଯଦି SST ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।